Hello, hello, grade 4. Good morning. This is Mavish, your math teacher. How are you, class? Class, today we are going to start your online unit sessions, and we have conducted your online unit sessions to continue your studies. Today I am going to share your first term syllabus. So, this is your first term syllabus. This is your first term syllabus class. First, you will write down your syllabus of your first terms in your copy, in your classwork copies. Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chapter 1 till chapter 6 will be covered in your first terms. That is your first term syllabus. Is shared on your screens. You will see chapter 1 to 6 is covered in your first term syllabus, and you will write the whole syllabus in your farewell copies. Then next you will start your class work that will be conducted in your first unit session today. Is it clear, class? So let me start now. Grade 4 class, all of you must have to conduct all of your online unit session because this session is conducted only to continue your studies. If you lose your online session, so you will lose your class, your online classes. All right. So class, now we are going to start the chapter 1 numbers to 1000 lesson 1 counting to 1000. Okay. There there is a chart. It consists of 4 columns and 2 rows. The first is 1000, 100, tens, and ones. You have a 2 columns. First is of thousands, then second is 100, third is tens, and fourth is ones. Here, what you will what you will learn. आप इसमें क्या सीखोगे? What you are going to learn in this chapter? In this chapter, you are going to learn how to identify, to say the digits, and how to write and or say the digits in words or in numerals. First, you need to identify how to say and how to count these digits. You will have 4 digits: 6, 4, 3, and 5. So how will you say? You can see the first 5. You say it is 5 once. It means you have the same color of columns, and you have the same circles in blue. That means you have five ones. You will say that is 5 times ones. That is 5 times ones. So you can see the circles in blue colors, and each circle shows the one itself. So you will count each circles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means you have 5 times ones. The first digit shows you have 5 times ones. So you will say this is one digit, that is 5, and it is identified as this is 5 times ones, that is 5. This is 5 times ones, that is 5. Now come to the next column. That is in orange. And you will see the orange circles, the 3 circles orange, and each circle shows 10. So you will add 10 plus 20 plus 30. So that means you have 3 circles. You have 3 circles, tens. That means you have 3 times tens. 3 times 10 means you have 30. 3 times 10 means you have 30. So you will identify the first digits is ones, that is 5 times ones. That is 5 times ones. And the second digit is 3. That is 10. That means you have 3 times 10s. It is called 30. The second digit is identified by tens. It means you have 3 times tens. That is called 30. You have 3 times tens. You have 3 times tens. That is called 30. You have 3 times tens. That is called 30. Now come to the next column. That is 100. You have 4. That means you have 4 times hundreds. You can see the same colors of circle in pink, and each circle shows hundreds itself. It means if you sum 4 circles, it equals to 400. You can sum 100, 200, 300 and 400. That means you have 400. That means you have 400. It means you have the third digit that will be identified as 100. That is always identified as 100. And you will say 4 times 100 equals to 400. 4 times 100 equals to 400. Now I will repeat if you have one digit, it means 5 times ones you have counted. 5 times 1 equals to 5. Then if you have the two numbers, so that is 5 times 1 and the second is tens. So the second digit is called tens. It means you have 3. That means you have 3 times tens equals to 30. You have 3 times tens equals to 30. Then if you have the 3 digits, अगर आपके पास 3 digit होंगे तो the third digit always count as 100. The third digit you have 4, that is always count as hundreds. Then you have 400s. Then you have 400. That means you have 400s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 100, 200, 300 and 400s. You have counted in past. Now come to the next column, that is thousands. It means if you have 4 digits, 5, 3, 4 and 6. 6 is the 4 digits that always count as thousands. That means you have 6,000. You have 6,000 because this is the 4 digit. So that's why it is called as thousands. Because you have 6 is as a 4 digit. 6 is as a 4 digit. That's why it is called and it is counted as a thousand. You can see the green circles of thousands. One, each circle shows 1000 itself. So you can add each circles in green. 1000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals to 6,000. That means the 4 digits always counted 1000 and that is equals to 6,000. That's equals to 6,000. So if you have 4 digit 6, 4, 3, 5, how will you identify and count them? You will identify in last one, that is 5 digit. That is 5 number that always called as ones. You means you have 5. And the second last is 3. The second one is 3 that always count in tens. That means you have 30. That means you have 30. And the third digit that always count as 100. That means that is 4. The digit is 4. That means you have 400. You have 400. And the 4 digit that always count as 1000. That means you have 6,000. You have 6,000. So how will you count the 4 digit combined together? आप इनको एक साथ कैसे काउंट करेंगे, कैसे रीड करेंगे? You can say this is 6,435. 6,435 6,435. 6,435. So how will you write all of the four digits combined together? You will write in numerals as this is 6,435. And how will you write 6,435 in words? So you will write 6,435 in words such as 6,435. 6,435. So class, today in in this chart, we have learned to identify the four digits. What what the four digits says, last one is ones, the second is counts as 10, third counts as 100, and fourth one counts as thousands. The second point, you have identified to write the four digits in numerals. So you have written the four digits in numeral as 6,435. 6,435. And the third point, where you have learned the four digits in words as 6,435. Is it clear, class? So I have let it elaborate. Class, I let it elaborate more to become an easy for you. If you will have only two digit, that is 3 and 5. So it means the last one 5, it means 5 times once. That is called 5. That is called 5. And the second ones always count as tens. That means 30. 3 tens means 30. The second one always count tens. That means 30. That means 30. So if you sum up 30 and 5 equals to 35. If you sum up 30 and 5 equals to 35. So you can easily write the 35 in numerals as 35 and in words that is 35. In next, if you will be given the three digits combined together. So how will you identify and count them? You will identify the last one as ones, that is 5. The second one as tens, that is 30. That is 30. The last one, that is 5 equals to 5. The second one that always count as tens, that means 30. The third digit always counts as 100. That means 400. That means 400. So if you sum up 435, you can easily write as 4, the third number, the third digit as 4, the second digit as 3, and the last digit 5 as 5. 435. You can easily write the third digit as in the third number. The second one digit is written in the second number, and the last one is 5 is written as in the last number. So you can easily write 435 in numerals, and you will say in words 435. So next is time to quiz. So let's start the quiz. The question 1 is, if we have 2, 4, 5, 6. If you will be given 2, 4, 5, 6, the four digit you have 2, 4, 5, 6. How will we count them? आप इनको कैसे काउंट करेंगे क्लास? हम इनको बिल्कुल सेम उसी तरह काउंट करेंगे जिस तरह हमने अभी ऊपर सीखा. हम इसको लास्ट वन से आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. The last one we have is 6. The last digit we have is 6. 6 is ones. And the second one is 5. The 5 means we have tens. It means we have we have tens. The last one digit we have tens. It means this is 50. It means this is 50, and the third one is 100. The third digit 4 is means for 100. That means we have 400. That means we have 400. And the last digit, the fourth digit is 2. We have 2. That means we have 1000. That means we have 2000. Because we have the four digit in 2, that means we have 2000. So how will we say in numerals? That is 2456, and in words we will say 2456. The second questions we have 2360. We have four digit 2360. How will we count them? In the same way, we follow the same as we have learned before. The last one we have 0, that is ones. So it is called 0. The second one we have 6, that is called 60. The third one, the third digit always count as hundreds. That means we have 300s. And the four digit always count as 1000. That means we have 2000. So we will solve here. We are going to solve 2360. We have 2360. How will we count them? We will count as we have 2000. Three is called 300. We have the third one digit that always count as 100. That means we have 300. And we have the second last digit, that is 6. That always count as tens. That means we have 60. We already have discussed in the above chart and the quiz questions. The same as we have followed the same rules and are solving the question. So we have 0. That means once. So 0 has no word. So it doesn't count. All right, class? It doesn't count because it is not a number. It's a 0, and 0 has no value. It means we have 60, 300, and 2000. So how will we say in numerals? That is 2360. And in words, we will say that is 2360. Is it clear, class? So the quiz question for you is 2190. Right? 2190 in words. This is the question for you, and all of the questions and answers will be discussed in our question answers feedback sessions that will be conducted after 2 hours of your online unit session. Is it clear, class?
आपकी 2 आवर्स के ऑनलाइन यूनिट सेशन के बाद आपका फीडबैक क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन कंडक्ट किया जाएगा। In this session, you can ask and I can ask you any question regarding the topic we have covered in today class. Is it clear class? आज हमने जो भी हमने टॉपिक कवर किया है अपना, और हमने जो भी लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कवर किए हैं, सॉल्व किए हैं, उससे रिलेटेड आई विल आस्क ऑल ऑफ यू एंड यू कैन आस्क एनीथिंग विद मी। आप भी मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं आज के टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, और मैं भी आपसे कुछ भी कहीं से भी पूछ सकती हूँ। सो बी प्रिपेयर फॉर टुडे यूनिट सेशन। इज इट क्लियर? सो द लेसन समरी इज today we have learned identifying and counting of 4 digits.
Counting in numerals, we have learned counting in numerals and also we have learned counting in words. आज हमने 3 चीजें सीखी। 4 digits को आइडेंटिफाई करना कि how we count them and how we count them in numerals and in words. So class, be prepared for your online question answer sessions in which I will ask any question regarding today's topic. Is it clear? Okay. So ये जो क्विज आपको दिया गया है, सॉल्व इट, इसको सॉल्व करें। इससे रिलेटेड मैं सबसे आंसर पूछूंगी, इसका क्या आंसर होगा वर्ड्स में। ओके क्लास, तो आज के लिए इतना काफी है और आप इसको अच्छे से देखें, इसको चेक करें। इसमें जो भी आपको क्लियर नहीं है उसको आप अपने फीडबैक सेशन के अंदर पूछ सकते हैं। इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज।